Want to ace your PSLE English? Hey there kids, welcome back to Chalkboard's writing tips. Today we're diving into the exciting world of writing show don't tell sentences, which will help you add a lot of details to your story. For today's video, we'll be focusing on showing emotions like anger, sadness, and fear. And we'll be using our technique of using body language. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about anger. Remember the movie Inside Out? There's a scene where anger, one of the emotions, literally bursts into flames when he gets mad. Instead of saying, he was really angry, you could write a short sentence like, his face turned red, steam came pouring out of his ears, and he stomped his feet in frustration. Next, let's explore sadness. In the movie Up, there's a heart-wrenching scene where Carl's wife Ellie falls ill and passes away. Instead of saying, he was very sad, you could write a short sentence like, tears streamed down his face as Carl gave Ellie one final kiss on her forehead, feeling a deep ache in his heart. Now, on to fear. In the movie Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, there's a spooky scene where Harry encounters a Dementor. Instead of saying, he was really scared, you could write a short sentence like, his body froze in terror, his heart pounded like a drum, and every hair on his body stood on end as the Dementor loomed closer. So remember, instead of telling your readers how a character feels, show it through their body language and actions. It helps bring your story to life. Let's quickly compare tell sentences with show sentences. For example, this is a tell sentence. She was very angry. This is a show sentence. She clenched her fists, gritted her teeth, and shouted at the top of her lungs. This is a tell sentence. He was very sad. This is a show sentence. Tears welled up in his eyes as he slumped onto the floor, feeling an overwhelming sense of loss. This is tell. They were really scared. This is show. Their bodies trembled, their hearts raced, and they huddled together, seeking comfort from one another from the impending danger. Remember kids, using show don't tell sentences makes your writing much more engaging and exciting. So go ahead and bring your stories to life by showing emotions through body language, just like your favorite movies. That's it for today's lesson. Stay tuned for more writing tips, especially on show not tell, and keep writing and expressing yourself. Don't forget to like and share.